Good morning. Our spirit wants us to know that the wrongs are being made right, especially where there was discord among family and friends. And our loved one's message to us this morning is family harmony. We must embrace our family and friends' love and put the past issues behind us. We have found solutions to a lot of problems where there was depression and anxiety and worry. We use self control and patience, and the energy within us now is forgiving and healing energy. In the past, we were guided by our loved ones and the archangels to simplify our lives. This has to change now so your vitality can recharge. They're telling us that we've had too much coming at us and we were spread too thin. So now it's an exciting time. It's a good luck time. It's a time to balance your money and help others. There were energies that made us feel stuck in all areas of our lives, but the sun is shining on us and things are going to get better. Even though we're tired, we must move forward. We're gonna we stay deep inside here with love, deep affection, and caring, and this will bring you stability. We have important relationship with people that share our vision, and we're going to nurture those relationships. There's been a lot of reconciliation, and we being patient about this reconciling. We've been gentle, loving, dreaming, and open-hearted. There has been a lot of solid foundations created, and using our wisdom from the past, we know that there is success with effort, and we can already see that doors are opening up for us. Um, these wedges, this is an energy. It has been lifted, and you'll feel things are more tranquil and peaceful now. There's great fortune. Things, those cycles have come to an end, and our loved ones want us to know that there's new beginnings. Take this as an opportunity to rise from the ashes stronger and more determined. Love you all.